Hello,
Hi dear, how are you?
I'm good. Can you hear me okay?
Yeah,
Great.
I'm very happy to talk to you.
Yeah,
Nice
thank
to meet
you.
you.
Yeah, likewise.
So, first of all, thank you very much for joining the Zoom meeting. At first, introduce about ourselves. After that, we can talk about lots of service like YouTube promotion, Facebook ads campaign, Google ads campaign, and all social media marketing management. I do work marketplace, Fiverr, Upwork, and out of marketplace as project. Okay.
Yep.
So, can I share my computer screen to show you something?
Yeah,
My previous
sure.
client completed work.
Yep, sure.
Okay, thank you. So I'm going to my website. So I will share something.
Yep.
That's me. It is our Fiverr account. I'm doing work in this platform. You can see I have already completed 456 order in Fiverr, providing by digital marketing services. I providing lots of service. Now I will going to your YouTube. Okay, this is your YouTube account, right?
Yep.
Yes, I have already visited your YouTube channel. I saw your content quality is perfect. Also, your every video thumbnail is perfect. But problem is your video are not reaching targeted audience. Like you are not getting interested targeted a lots of audience. So as a professional digital marketer, I can help you to rank your YouTube channel. I can help you to grow your YouTube channel properly. I can help you interested your niche related targeted audience. Okay. So if I click your video, SEO score 22 out of 100. So I will increase your video SEO score 80 to 100. Then YouTube will suggest people to watch your video. Let's talk about the project. Basically, I use the most effective method to rank your YouTube channel, to grow your YouTube channel. So I will explain to you step by step. Okay. My first working system is SEO. That means keyword selection area, search engine optimization. Do you know SEO?
Yep.
SEO help you your channel rank on Google and YouTube. I have to update your perfect title selection using by video icon and tab buddy. Video icon and tab buddy is professional YouTube certificate tools, and I have to update your perfect title selection using by video icon tab buddy, and I have to update your attractive description, and I have to update your high ranking tag keywords, and I will make for you attractive thumbnail. If your video thumbnail attractive, people click your video and watch. Okay,
Okay, so
so
you're gonna update you're gonna update the description
yes, I have to
and,
update your attractive description.
and keywords.
Yes, high ranking tech keywords. That's tech keywords, YouTube ranked tech keywords.
Okay. So how do
And
you know who my targeted audience is?
yes, and if I perfectly complete your video SEO optimization, your video will be ranked on YouTube. And my second working system is promotion. I will promote your video all social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other largest group. First of all, I will find your content related, your niche type of group. After I will promote your video this group, while I will share your video this group, then you will get interested your content related, your type of audience. Okay. So which country is your targeted audience? Australia.
Oh, which country is my targeted audience? Yeah, Australia.
Australia. Okay, no problem. We'll get interested targeted audience. And my third working system is video boosting using by Google Ads campaign, Google Advertising,
Google what?
Google Ads campaign.
Google Ads
Yeah,
campaign.
yeah, Google Ads campaign. So I will apply these three most popular effective method to rank your YouTube channel, to grow your YouTube channel. You will get interested targeted audience and you will be satisfied. You will get great result. Okay.
Okay, so you're saying
So
you're gonna update the description and keywords so that the SEO is okay, and then you're gonna promote it via advertising on Google and Facebook.
So I will explain to again. I will remind you first video SEO, second video promotion, third video boosting like Google Ads campaign. So Google Ads campaign is expensive service. Google Ads campaign expensive service. I have to spend money. Google Ads, Google show your video all platform. Okay, but Google Ads campaign is limited impression. Okay, if I stop Google Ads campaign, your YouTube channel rank stop. But SEO and promotion help get result long time, and you will get continue result. SEO and promotion. So I will
Okay, so the promotion, what is a promotion then? What is a promotion? Is that backlinks? Is that what you're talking about?
yeah.
Is
I'll
that
promote.
off page SEO?
Yes. SEO and promotion help long-term result. You will get continued result.
So what's promotion? What
I-
is promotion?
I'll promote your video all social media sites like Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Twitter, and other largest group. Your
How do you
content
do that?
type of related group.
Content.
Yes, your content type of related group.
Yeah, sure.
Oh yeah. So my work salary per day, $10. Okay. And weekly salary is $70. So I think first you can hire me a week, 1 week. If you like my work, if you see my work is good, so definitely you can hire me for next week. So if you have any question or if you know any information, definitely ask me.
Okay. Yeah, okay. I guess there's a few things. Can you give me some examples of what you have done? Show me some results